video is not sponsored. It's not sponsored video. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you some of my skincare haul. Actually I bought some skincare here. It's been sitting for a very long time. These are not repeated except for one thing, but all the skincare thing products I bought is like researched. I saw a lot of YouTube videos, Insta, and lot of reviews in Amazon or in influencer. So those are the things I saw, and I researched a lot of products, and I thought, okay, I will buy these things. Without further delay, come on, let's open all those things. Still I didn't open everything. I just wanted to smell some of the things, so I just opened. The first thing is, I'll show you. Maybe I will keep it here. So let's go with the face wash. I bought this Shea Moisture 100% virgin coconut oil daily hydration face milk cleanser. I think you can see it. Yep. I saw a review that it doesn't foams, so that's the only reason I got this. So whatever I show in this video is under $15. Nothing is more than $15. This thing is $10. I will give the links for the products in the description box. So in my face wash anyway, it's going to get over. So I saw a lot of reviews that it's slightly tingling or feeling is there. See, so soft. Coconut. I smell coconut. A lot of coconut. It doesn't foams. So this is the only reason I got it. The soapy thing, I don't know, it dries my skin very fast. That's why I don't prefer that. So I bought this one. Maybe I've used in eczema. That too tingles a little bit, but I don't think so. Maybe I will use it and tell you guys how this feels. It has no parabens, no phosphates, no glycol, mineral oil, sulfates, and animal testing. It's cruelty free. See? And that's that. And the next thing is exfoliating peel. I think you must have seen this in my 5-minute skincare. Yes, I bought the same thing. I like it. I want to try another brand, but still when it comes to exfoliating, I don't want to change it. Maybe next time I will. The other thing is this peel off mask. It's formula 10.0.6. It's a charcoal peel mask. The smell is so amazing. Especially for blackheads and whiteheads, I want to use a peel off mask. I try to use that strips what we buy in especially for whiteheads, but I don't know, it doesn't work for me. It doesn't even sticks on my nose. That's why I thought, okay, I will go for a peel off mask, so I can just apply here and take out the blackheads. Still I have to try that. It smells amazing. And the next thing is toner. I got 2 types of toner, one for night and one for morning. This is like Super Tone brightens fruit acid elf toner. It's It's only for night actually. You should not wear this and go in the sun, it will burn your skin, that's why. So I want to try this. It's alpha hydroxy from fruit acids. It's what you'll say, AHA. Yes, AHA. Brightens complexion and provides gentle chemical exfoliation for that. So I want to use this in night, and it smells nice. I got this for a very. It smells lemony. I should have guessed from the color. It smells lemony. So I want to try that. And another toner. See, I didn't even open the package. It's a Japanese.
The toner name is
skincare
Sake
lotion.
High Moisture Skin
Everything
Lotion
is in
Toner.
Japanese.
It's mainly for hydration. High hydration toner it is.
It gives high moisture, hydration. Skincare high moisture. It's like watery. This also I think this is for morning actually. Morning and night you can use it in the night too, but I wanted to use it in the morning, so I will try that and tell you. See. Watery. It's like fermented rice. Okay. The smell is like fermented rice. I can't smell now because my hand has a moisturizer, perfumed moisturizer. I am okay with fragrance free and also with fragrance. I don't care about that.
So it definitely smells like fermented rice and a little
When I
bit
smell
of
like this, it's
bubble
nice,
gum, like
but I don't know.
strawberry bubble gum flavor. It smells the mixture of both of it.
No, it's good. It's really it's like fermented rice or something like that. I can't tell what's there in this because everything is Japanese here. It's a Japanese toner actually. That's why the one I am using now is like a Korean toner, and this is a Japanese toner. This is for moisture. And the next thing is I recently wanted to try out Essence. I want to introduce myself to Essence. I want this is Elf Hydrating Water Essence. I have a little concern about this because I saw a lot of reviews and the bottle was slightly greenish, sea green, but for me it came like this. But the consistency, they say everything, the smell, it's good. It smells nice. It smell is nice, and the consistency is also like, see, it's not too runny and it's like chilly. I wanted to try actually Secret Key, but I don't know. I was like, then I went to Elf because I have a Elf toner, right? So I want to try with Elf and Elf. So let's see how it works. It's purified water, coconut water and algae. It has it's a lightweight water-based lotion that hydrates with glow, healthy looking skin. Whatever I bought is for hydration and for brightening your skin. Very dry skin nowadays. So infused with cocoa water, algae and hyaluronic acid. So I just bought that. Let me try and see how it looks. So that's Essence, and after that I need moisturizer, right? So I bought the same. It's the Shea Moisture Daily Hydration Face Lotion. Hydration Face Lotion. Correct. These two are actually combo. So I bought these two for $20, and maybe separately I checked out it is $10 each, this one and this one, so no big difference. This one, it has a pump and it comes like, maybe it's not focusing. It's white. Smell is nice. It's coconut smell. If you like coconut smell, it's good. I don't know about the moisturizing part. Maybe I will see and use it and tell you guys how long it's holding for me. The next thing is antiseptic cream. This I bought it. This I didn't buy in Amazon. This I bought in Indian store. So the first thing, actually, I told you, right, I took away all my regular skincare products and I started using new ones. So by the time my skin was so flaky, I don't know what to do. So every night after face wash, I use this. It will be a little oily, but it worked amazing. It works amazing. So you can see this pimple. I used to just dab some in my pimple, like just take it and dab some in my pimple whenever I go to sleep or whenever I feel like it's itchy or something. Without touching, I'll just, so I have a very bad habit, like if I feel itchy or something like that, I'll go that's a very bad habit. Whenever my mom sees that, like, why do you keep your hand in the face, mouth? You won't believe me, I'll blow like this. I don't know, I'm like obsessed with keeping my hand in my face. I want to try like this, I'll do like this. I don't know. So that's how it is. This is I'll highly recommend you. Even in India, I think we'll get this Borolin antiseptic cream, green tube. I'll highly recommend if you have like wounds or something. This will immediately take it out. Then those are the things that I bought from Amazon. Those are my skincare products, whatever I bought. See you all in the next video. Bye.